The U.S. Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit upheld a law Friday that would ban TikTok in the U.S. if it doesn't sell its Chinese-based parent company, ByteDance, by January 19th.
It's not a coincidence that the law was written to kick in on January 19th. That was done on purpose because the new president is inaugurated on January 20th.
A quick recap on how we got here. This all stemmed from national security concerns and alleged data breaching from China. Back in April, President Biden signed a bill into law that gave the social media company two options.
It could either divest from its ownership structure based on a company that's headquartered in the Cayman Islands but has a lot of ties to China, or it could cease operations in the United States. TikTok very quickly sued to challenge the law, as well as several TikTok users sued to challenge the law, saying it violated their First Amendment rights.
The D.C. Circuit has rejected that challenge and found the law constitutional. So what now?
I expect TikTok is more likely to petition directly to the Supreme Court. It can also ask the Supreme Court to stay the law before it hears oral argument on the case, given the short timeline.
If the ban does take effect, it would have a major economic impact.
It's going to be rough on a number of small businesses because TikTok has been a major promotional outlet for them.
TikTok influencers we spoke to earlier this year told us just how important the platform is to their livelihoods.
If I had not discovered TikTok, my business would probably have ended back in 2020. Because of TikTok, I was able to reach millions of people without any dollars being spent. It was just my hard work and creativity putting together videos.
The incoming Trump administration could also have some influence on TikTok's future. Trump could ask Congress to repeal the law, although that would be a tall task given the bill passed with bipartisan support.
It'll be an interesting question for his administration in terms of how light or tough they go in terms of enforcement. Like, you can have a ban, but it could be lightly enforced, and therefore there could be loopholes there. So it remains to be seen how the Trump administration will handle this issue.
Experts expect TikTok to ask for a preliminary injunction in the coming days. Ben Brown, ABC 15, Arizona.